In this video, I will show you how to check if your page is being recommended by Facebook and what it means when your page is being recommended. When Facebook recommends your page, it means that the platform believes that your page is a good fit for the interest of the people who see the recommendation. You can check it by going to your professional dashboard, then go to Profile Recommendation. You will see this badge and that your page is now in list where we suggest pages to new people. Here are some of the benefits of having your page recommended on Facebook. Increased visibility. This can lead to more followers, more engagement or sales. Improved search ranking. Your page will be more likely to show up when people search on Facebook. Positive brand association. It signals to them that you are credible and can help to improve your brand reputation. There are a few things that can increase the chances of your page being recommended on Facebook. Posting high-quality content, engaging with your followers and responding to their comments and questions. Your page has no violations. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.